Let me speed the fact. No shampoo can actually treat your dandruff or itching scalp. They just washes out the flecks on your scalp. If you really want to treat the dandruff or itching scalp or scalp irritation, then do focus on the serums because they are filled with active ingredients and they actually target the dandruff, itching scalp and any kind of infection on your scalp, especially in winter. I have a few favorite serums. They can actually and effectively reduce dandruff, itching scalp and any kind of infection in your scalp. Okay, so this is from Quench and I'm already in love with their skincare products, but they have nailed the hair care products. I'm already using their shampoo and this is really great, but the serum works wonder in case of dandruff. It has tea tree that really reduces the itchy scalp, basically also reduces the dandruff effectively, and it works really quickly. If you are using it 2 to 3 times, you can see a visible result and change in your scalp, in your dandruff and in your itching of your scalp. So definitely get your hands on this. This is a great option for those who have really patchy and oily scalp and dandruff. So this serum is from Love Beauty and Planet. They make really good hair mask for all of you people, but this serum from Love Beauty and Planet is so good. It has tea tree that visibly reduces the flecks on your scalp, also works in dandruff, gives you a beautiful clean scalp. Basically it also has rosemary extract that will effectively reduce the dandruff on your skin and leave you with a beautiful fresh looking hair and scalp. So do get your hands on it. You will thank me later for this particular serum suggestion. This one is from Minimalist. It's their anti-dandruff serum. It has oligopeptide and CPH complex. CPH complex basically works like a calamine lotion for our scalp that instantly soothes your scalp. If you have itchy scalp, if you have irritation in your scalp, if you have small bumps on your scalp, this will effectively reduce them. It also has oligopeptide that will work wonderfully on your dandruff. This is one of the best anti-dandruff serum available in the market. Do get your hands on it. It's a great option for those who have really oily scalp, itching scalp or dandruff.
It's time for some tips and tricks that will boost your dandruff treatment. It's my personal experience that heating tools such as curler, straightener, even dryer can make your scalp even more dandruff prone. It's because they tend to suck the moisture from your scalp and it usually breaks the skin barrier of the scalp and eventually makes it even more dry and flaky. So try to limit the usage of such styling tools as much as possible. Dandruff is usually caused by the excessive oil production in your scalp, so try to avoid any oily product. Instead, use a water-based serum. Applying hair serum on a cleansed scalp always doubles up the penetration power. So wash your hair and scalp well and then use the hair serum.